Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore a simple and effective strategy to help you make $150 daily through Forex trading. We'll be focusing on finding sell trade opportunities using the double bottom chart pattern. Don't worry if you're new to trading. We'll break it down in easy terms. So, let's get started. A double bottom is a special pattern in Forex charts that looks like two IAS shapes stacked on top of each other. This pattern often indicates a potential trend reversal, giving us a chance to make profitable trades. First things first, we need to identify a double bottom on our charts. We'll show you exactly what to look for and how to spot this pattern quickly and easily. No complicated jargon, just simple steps to follow. Once we've identified the double bottom, we'll discuss how to set up our trade for selling. We'll cover entry points, stop loss, and take profit levels. It's like putting together the pieces of a puzzle, and we'll guide you through each step. Making money in Forex is exciting, but it's crucial to manage your risks. We'll share some easy to understand tips on how to protect your investment and trade responsibly. Remember, successful trading is not just about winning, it's also about minimizing losses. Before diving into live trading, we recommend practicing with a demo account. This allows you to get comfortable with the strategy without risking real money. We'll show you how to use a demo account and why it's an essential step in your trading journey. Asking 1, we'll demonstrate a real-life example so you can see how the double bottom strategy works in action. You'll gain confidence in applying what you've learned and be better prepared for your own trades. At the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to find sell trade opportunities using the double bottom chart pattern. Making $150 daily in Forex can become a reality with the right strategy and approach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy-to-follow trading tips. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.